Hello guys, today we want to teach you how we took this image from this format. Look at this one is having pimples like this. You see how dirty how it's looking, and then when we edited it, look at the outcome. As you can see the out base. You can see how clean it is. So just stay tuned. Let's start from the beginning. First, we'll find the image and then bring it. Let's open the image. So from here, we'll copy the image, bring it here. This is the image, as you can see. So from here, you look at how the image is having pimples up and down. So first, now, see your layer section here. Come to this layer. Click on Ctrl J. Ctrl J and Ctrl J again. You have 3 layers. Right? From the background, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So on this one, this layer 1 here, select it. Let's write color. Press enter. Come to this second layer. Write texture. And write texture. Enter. So let's uncheck this. Remove this eye here. Just uncheck it. Select this color from here. This layer. Then come to your filter. This filter here, but come to Gaussian. Let me move away a bit so that you can see. This Gaussian now. Select the forehead. This forehead. So now I'm using a radius of 7.4. So at this juncture, you can toggle it around. The essence of it is just to know that that area is giving you a blur-like view. Okay, let's say 7.6 per se. Let me increase it a little. And click OK from here. And then uncheck this texture layer. Come up here. Click on it. Come to image here. And this image, click on apply image. And then here under layer, you come here, select the color layer. Click here. Make sure your blend mode here is on subtract. Your opacity 100. Your scale to your offset to 128 at this point. Then click on OK. This settings is basically for image that are on 8 bits. There's another video we'll edit on 16-bit. I'll show you the settings also. So from here, come select as. Don't mind the way it's looking. This way is looking like this. Don't mind it. Make sure that it is on this texture layer. Come here, change the blend mode from here to linear light. Select the linear light. Uncheck this one and then select this blur layer here, as you can see. So on this section here, you can select. Let me move away. Come to your mixer brush tool. Find your mixer brush tool. Select it. When you select this picture, make sure that this settings up here. Let me illustrate. Make sure your entire setting. See, take note of these settings from this point. Your wetness 9%, your load 75, your mix 90%, your flow 100, like that. Then make sure your brush is on clean brush. It's very important. Your brush is on clean brush. Make sure you check this. Make sure it's always on. Check it. It's very on. Those are your settings are very, very, very important. So now on your mixer brush there, you can toggle around with your open brackets to increase the cycle, and then you can the open bracket, that is, you reduce it. Sorry, the closed bracket, you increase it. So you can toggle around both like this. So let's reduce and let's start. So you just rub gently. You rub gently on that area. So you can notice something working. You can rub gently on that area. Rub gently, not plenty. Rub gently. You did say rub gently. And rub gently like that. You can rub gently. Let's see. You can rub gently. Look at how you can click it, adjust it. So you areas that you notice that they are small. This person in this picture is my senior from secondary school. We call him Ntsiva. He's now the biggest businessman in town. The investor, you can deal with him. Let's remove it. Yes. Be careful so that you don't distort the image. So from here, let's on this layer. When you come back on this layer, you can see the difference. When you on it now, you see. Let's see the effect by unchecking this particular one. See the effect. See the difference. Can you see? You can spot the difference between the two. So now what is remaining is these pimples. Those dots that you are seeing. So come to this texture. Click on it, on the texture like this. Then come to this clone stamp tool. Select the clone stamp tool. From here, select this one. This is it. So please also take note of your settings. This is very important. Take note of the settings from here, which is your opacity 100 and your flow 100. Like that. Let's do away with that. Let's clean it off. Then come here. You make sure it's on it. Select. Make sure it's on this texture layer, please. Increase it. So click alternate on your keyboard and hold so that you click the area that is clean for you so that you cover it on that pimples. That is, you come here, look at here is free of pimples. So just press alternate and hold, click on it. Look at how it's changed to cross. When you take your hand off, you can now apply that. You get what I'm trying to say? You continue, press alternate and hold, click a very clean area. Come to where the pimples is, then you click on it. You see that you don't see anything there again. You can't see anything. So let's toggle around to do the same thing. Alternate, hold. You see it change to a cross-like cycle. Pick an area, drop on it, pick, drop. Pick an area, drop on it, pick an area, drop on it. We are trying to do away with those spots, all those blemishes. You can see. So can you see what's going on? We are trying to see where there are problems. We're trying to see where there are problems that we can do away with. Okay. So now let's see the difference between the initial picture. Look at how it was looking and now. So please, if you love this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you know you are confused on any angle, please drop in the comment section where you are confused. I can clarify you immediately. Please. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top.